Hey everyone, today I will show you how to stop unwanted emails and subscribe emails in Gmail. And here's how it is done. There are two simple methods. The first one doesn't require any third-party apps or website. On your PC or laptop, open your preferred browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your account and in the search box, type and subscribe. This will bring up all the emails you are subscribed to. Next, click the filter icon on the right side of the search bar and a new box will appear. Click on Create a Filter. On the next page, under Add a Label, choose a name like Unwanted Mail. Check the box that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Then click Create Filter. Now you all see a new label on the left where all these unwanted emails have been moved. You can select all of them and delete them. The second method involves using a third-party website called Clean Email. Visit the site and click on Try for free. Sign up your Google account and you'll see a red tab labeled Unsubscribe from all email list. Click that and you will get a list of all the emails you are subscribed to. You can then bulk unsubscribe from all of them for free. These are two best ways to unsubscribe from unwanted emails. And that is everything you need to know about how to stop unwanted emails and subscribe emails in Gmail. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.